Hi there, this is Hayley. Here at Jane, I'm our medical and aesthetics expert. I have the pleasure of working so closely with our community and can proudly say that I myself am an aesthetics practitioner here in Vancouver. Today, I'm super excited to share some of my favorite templates within the aesthetic space. From hormone therapy to injectables to skin treatments, we have you covered. We have our template library, which is a collaborative space where practitioners and owners can essentially share their customized templates. With discipline-specific templates available, contributed by real clinics and providers from our very own community, you can quickly access and customize your charting, your intake forms, and post-procedure care tailored to your clinic's needs just in a few clicks. If you're curious to learn more about Jane's templates, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and take a look. You can get there straight from your staff profile. The template library is situated right under that templates tab. Of course, you can customize all of your charts here, but we're going to check out those ready-to-use templates by clicking on the template library button. As you can see, we have a vast collection of ready-to-use templates. This is so helpful kickstarting your journey with Jane, or even during those times of growth to support you as you introduce new services to your practice. We can either explore by discipline to narrow down the template choices, which many of my favorite templates are under the aesthetics section of the library, but if you're looking for something in particular to your services, you can also go ahead and type in any keyword or word to search for the templates that fit your specific needs. There are so many incredible templates created by Jane users, just like you. I highly encourage you to check out the top templates under any search you do. And for this video in particular, I've gone ahead and created 5 custom templates that I find most beneficial for my practice. So let's jump into the first one. A crucial part of the patient journey is learning and collecting their medical history. This, of course, helps you understand their goals and assists you in identifying potential contraindications. On top of that, this information helps you create a custom, results-driven treatment plan for your clients and patients. With our intake forms, you can automatically collect this information prior to the patient visit. On top of that, you'll have the availability to collect necessary clinic-wide or treatment-specific consents when needed. Jane is here to help you prioritize patient care by handling those time-consuming administrative tasks and collecting that information prior to your patient visit. The second template I'd love to show you is a template solely for side-by-side images. This is perfect for your before and after shots. Showcasing our new side-by-side feature, I love the availability to upload before and after images of my clients so I can track and share the work that we've completed together. I can also share these before and afters and progress pictures with my clients in a secure and compliant fashion directly through their very own patient portal. Another favorite, and likely our most used of our aesthetics community, is our Botox and filler charting templates. Being able to get tactile and draw directly onto an image is really helpful for keeping thorough notes. And if drawing isn't your style, we also have a handy pointer tool so you can mark directly on the image and also pop up a text box for those recorded details. Next up, we have skin treatments. As a medical esthetician myself, we know that documenting your client's treatment journey is absolutely crucial. As an example, here we have our microneedling chart template. We have a range of sections to guide you through the pre-screening process, along with recording those detailed treatment notes. With the variety of chart parts available, 16 to be exact, you can use tools like checkboxes and drop-downs that allow you to quickly record essential information. And finally, if you ever need to share important information with your patients after their treatment, we've made it really easy for you to do that right through their patient portal. So whether you want to customize your aftercare experience to match your clinic's unique style outside of Jane, or even if you just want to send some straightforward document using rich text formatting, we've got your back. All we have to do is make sure the document is viewable for the patient to send it over. And don't worry, any information shared through their patient portal stays completely private and secure, so you know that you're staying compliant. And there you have it, some of mine and the community's most used and recommended templates for our aesthetic practitioners using Jane. Remember though, that the template library has tons of ready-to-use templates, so if you didn't find what you were looking for in the top picks, just search in the library to discover more options. To learn more about or connect with me, you can reach out to support, or you can book a demo by visiting JaneApp and clicking on the Book a Demo button. Our team is always happy to help.